This week started great. First, I found a completely free way to use VEO3 on this 1 month Google free trial right here. I'll give you the link to this in just a second. But then I realized you only get 10 uses of VEO3 on that Google free trial, unless you upgrade to Google Ultra to unlock more, but that costs $250 a month. Way too expensive for me. So I did some research and I've now found 3 ways that we can use VEO3 and pay way less than that $250 a month cost for Google Ultra. I'm going to run through those 3 ways now. So the first way is using VEO3 for free on that free trial I mentioned. It's a free trial for Google AI Pro. There's a link to the free trial in the description to this video. You just sign up to that free trial, head on over to Google Flow once you're signed up, and you can start using VEO3 for free in there. You get 1,000 free AI credits on that free trial, and each use of VEO3 uses 100 credits. So you're going to get 10 uses of VEO3 on that Google AI Pro free trial. And when those free 1,000 credits run out, you can switch to the Google AI Pro paid version for $20 a month, which is going to give you another 1,000 credits per month. So those 10 VEO3 uses you get on Google AI Pro then works out at each VEO3 use costing $2 per video generated. Pretty good, but what if you don't want to pay that $2 for every use? Or you want to use VEO3 more than just 10 times a month? That brings us on to method number 2 I found, which lets you use VEO3 for cheaper and many more times every month. I realized that just a couple of days ago, Google released a new option called VEO3 Fast, which is 5 times cheaper than the original VEO3. It's only 1/5 of the cost. So using that free trial of Google AI Pro, you can now make 50 videos using VEO3 Fast rather than just 10. Here's a comparison on screen of 2 videos generated with exactly the same prompt, one in VEO3 and one in VEO3 Fast. They both look pretty great. The VEO3 Fast one maybe has slightly lower quality and sharpness around the edges of some things, especially when you zoom in, but they're both still pretty decent. So you could just use VEO3 Fast on that Google AI Pro plan and get 50 videos generated per month. But what if you want the higher quality VEO3 option, but you need more than just the 10 videos per month you can get using that setting? Or what if you've used all of the 50 videos that you get on VEO3 Fast? For me, that $250 per month upgrade to Google Ultra is just way too high. So that brings us on to the third method that I found. It's this AI filmmaking tool that has added the ability to use VEO3 from inside it. And I'm pretty happy because this was an AI app I was already using, so I can just keep using it, but now have access to VEO3 as well. Using VEO3 in this tool is as easy as choosing it from this list here. So I'll choose VEO3, typing in the prompt for the video that you want generated here. So I'll type in the same prompt to get that gorilla as I used over in Google Flow, press generate. And after a few minutes, you'll see up here that VEO3 video has been generated for us and is available inside the tool. And you can get set up and start using this tool on any of these monthly plans that they have available. The cheapest one starts at just $19 a month, and it just uses credits each time you use VEO3 inside it. And you can get a further 20% off that monthly price every month for the next 12 months using a code they've given me in the past that I popped in the description. The tool's called aivideo.com and the link in the code are down below. It's those original high quality VEO3 videos that you can make inside there, not the VEO3 Fast lower quality ones. Those videos cost around $5 per generation, so way cheaper than signing up to that $250 Google Ultra plan. So once you've used up all of your quota in Google AI Pro, this is the cheapest way I found to continue using VEO3. And I kind of pay per use structure rather than that $250 a month subscription to Google Ultra. VO3's ability to generate realistic people that speak from just a single text prompt, even generating multiple different speaking people, is such a jump forwards in generated video. I'm excited to start using this for B-roll in my own YouTube videos, or even seeing like fully AI generated stories on other channels. That tool, aivideo.com, is just great for filmmaking when you're doing stuff like that. Like I said, you can use VO3, but you can also generate talking people using Kling, which is the other top video generator. You can create background music and you can edit it all together with images in there. I made a Star Wars movie using that tool, which you can check out and also see how I did it and how to start doing AI filmmaking yourself easily watching this video next. And obviously, just remember to subscribe. See ya.